So how do you improve the bottom line of your business without sacrificing quality and without putting your prices up? Number one, look at the bottleneck. Look for your weakest link. Look for that area that needs the most improvement that's holding up the job. It could be a resource, such as a machine. It could be a person that's overloaded in work. Once you've identified that resource, help that resource to relieve the backlog of work. Add another machine, work at longer hours, stagger the shifts so there's no lunch break in between for that machine. Or if it's a person, get someone else to give them a hand. Once you've released that backlog, it moves on to the next step and you're able to improve your throughput. A lot of people think about that they've got a fast machine that can produce 100 parts a minute. That might be so, but if the next operation can only make 50 parts a minute, then there's your bottleneck. So if you want to produce those 100 parts, everything has to be balanced. It's a production line. My advice is find the weakest link and help that to promote and get the job moving to the next step.